Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. So, hey, I'm looking at this gorgeous one bedroom, and I'm about to go in the bedroom and the bath. So the bedroom looks like this. It is super big. Whoa, it's really, really big. This is kind of a double, I think, but it could easily have a king in here, no problem. Lot of space on that wall. There's the windows. The windows look really sharp and crisp and pretty. And then here is the wall here. So this looks amazing too. So a lot going on there. Really, really pretty. Um, you do have the bathroom that's here too. This is the bathroom itself. Looks great. You do have this. You do have a nice flooring that's in here too. I love the lights that are here too. Really, really cool. And then here's the shower. So the shower is very nice too. And the backsplash, by the way, goes up to the wall. Here is the closet. It is a walk-in closet. It's a decent size. I'd say medium, maybe medium plus size. So it's a good size closet. Hey, if you have any questions about anything you're seeing of this one bedroom here at the Northfork at Jefferson Ranch, send me a text. And really, if you want to do a tour, I'd recommend to actually start with a virtual tour, unless you're local. If you're not local and you need to check this out, send me a text. Let's set up a tour, whether that's virtual or live. I'll take care of that, and we could do it even today. So send in that text right away. We'll say hi and go from there. My number is below. That's my direct number.